The vinyl I have got here, which I've used to cut out my sentiment, is a cheap one. It is notoriously evil to cut and to weed. So I set it to cut my Juliet and it's cut it perfectly. Whether I can weed it is more down to my skill level than anything else. I'm going to try reverse weeding, not something I've ever done before. But because these letters are so fine, I think that might be the easiest way of doing it without losing odd bits. So we shall see. Now I've slit between the different lines of text to try and make this a little bit easier for myself. So as you can see, it's in different sections now, which hopefully will make the whole process that much easier. And I've taken out the holes in the letters already. And once I get to that line there, I can trim off this little bit of vinyl because I won't actually need it to be there any longer. And because it's trimmed off, it means I've got less excess vinyl to cope with when I'm weeding the rest. Well, that bit is done perfectly. Phew. The bit I'm particularly concerned with is this one because it's got an exclamation mark with a little dot on it, and I just know that normally that dot will get lost. So I'm hoping this time it won't. Pull that off. That's done okay. Just got a little bit to take out here. Well, 2 out of 3 so far. Oh, fingers crossed. Yay, I've got the little dot underneath my exclamation mark, which is the bit that I was really concerned I was going to lose. And lo and behold, I've got it all there. Wow.